OpenAI announced ChatGPT Atlas, their new AI browser, and I've been using it since it came out and I'm really impressed. Atlas is a full AI assistant built directly into a browser environment, similar to Comet or Dia, which launched earlier this year. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how Atlas understands page context, automates workflows, and connects to your data, all while keeping you in control. Let's check out search on Atlas. This really reminds me of a mix between Google Search and ChatGPT. One thing to note is the recommendations. The OpenAI team mentioned in their demo that Atlas gives you suggestions based on what you've been doing in the browser. It can help you finish a task you started earlier or return to frequently used sites. These recommendations are based on your search history, which you can choose to share with Atlas during onboarding. Now let's try a search. I asked, find me reviews that have been made on the Atlas browser. This gives me ChatGPT-style responses, but what I love is that you can click on a link and ChatGPT stays open in the sidebar, helping you dive deeper into articles. Previously on ChatGPT, clicking a link would open a new tab without ChatGPT's tools or memory. You now have access to ChatGPT directly into the interface and a familiar search layout, with results that include images, videos, and news. While only a few results are shown, you can view more by clicking the Google link at the bottom. If you make another search, the previous search stays visible above the new results. This is great for comparing topics or refining what you're looking for. After watching the ChatGPT agent demo, I wanted a summary of the main points. I headed to YouTube and clicked the Ask ChatGPT button in the top right corner. The chat window opens instantly. I then asked, what are the highlights of this video? It summarized the video perfectly, helping me remember the key points, which really helped me with this demo. With browser memory enabled, ChatGPT can help you find documents you've worked on with a simple query. I asked it to help me find the document I used for booking guests on This Week in Startups podcast, the document I was on earlier today. It quickly helped me find the document and I can open it directly from there. This leads to another feature I love, inline text editing. By simply selecting any text, you can click the ChatGPT icon and ask it to edit your text in any way. I've used a similar feature in Superhuman for editing emails, but this works even better because it not only uses page context, but it can also search for extra information that's not in your document. For example, I wanted to expand the welcome text. I asked ChatGPT to include a request to fill out the document and mention the main host's name. It handled it beautifully. All these features bring ChatGPT wherever you go, integrated into every tab within the browser. But the agent built into Atlas is on another level. If you have used Comet or Dia, you've probably seen their agent modes. They're helpful for automating repetitive tasks. But ChatGPT's agent goes further. It's more powerful, easier to use, and in my experience, much faster at completing tasks than the others. The guest didn't fill out some sections of a document, so I used agent mode to add comments showing what they missed directly on the Google Docs. You can actually watch it work through the tasks. It's a bit slow, but after about a minute, it completes the job and saves me time. This is a great feature. Another great use case is ordering food. I asked ChatGPT what ingredients are needed to make beef stew. I had some ingredients, but not all. I told ChatGPT which ones I was missing and asked it to order the rest. I selected the pickup option on Whole Foods and the agent went to work, adding the missing items to my cart automatically. Both of the examples are great because they can work in the background, letting me continue to work on other tasks and come back when it's done. So now I can order food at work and go pick it up after I'm done. These are just a few examples, but they show how ChatGPT Atlas seamlessly blends AI assistance, automation, and browsing. It saves time, keeps context across tabs, and makes every web task a little smarter. Comment below some ways that you're going to use ChatGPT Atlas.